In front of me is OnePlus 15R, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use one-handed mode. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to click on this section called Accessibility and Convenience. Then scroll again, this time to tap on one-handed mode. Now use this switcher next to one-handed mode to activate it, and when it turns blue, follow all of those instructions to use it. Swipe down at the bottom of the screen to enter one-handed mode. So when I do that, I can see that it's working properly. To go back, you can swipe up or click on this area at the top. To disable it completely, use the same now blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!